Hey everybody, my name is Chris. Welcome to Casual Fragrance. Here with my girlfriend Kelly.
Hey.
Today's video we're going to talk about a female fragrance from the fragrance house. It's called Carolina Herrera and it's no other than Good Girl. I'm going to show you the presentation. If it's hard to see, I apologize. But here it is.
Get real up close. All the way.
There you go. This is a 1 ounce size here. We tried out a few fragrances at the store there because my girlfriend does like some female fragrances.
Let's see.
It's very soft, the texture really nice and soft.
Love it.
And they have it in 3 sizes. We got it on sale at Macy's because they had a 15% off sale. So it comes in this 1 ounce for $68. It comes in a 1.7 ounce for $94, and you can get the real big size for $117 for a 2.7 ounce. This fragrance was released in 2016, so a couple years ago. The note breakdown, we have symbolic jasmine, we have tuberose, and we have crystal, and we have for the mid we have almond, vet almond, and we have for the base we have tonka bean, and we have cocoa and coffee. So I'm going to spray this.
They said it can hold your phone.
Yes, it's pretty cool. It can hold your phone. I think I laid it on the table, but it's pretty cool. You can hold your phone.
And look, you can see it's a picture of us on my phone.
Pretty cool. So I'm gonna have her take the cap. The cap is hard to take off on the smaller one. The bigger
tiny one. So normally it's like you could spray it from the heel, but the tiny one it took me forever to figure out. You just have to rip off the heel.
Yep. And then I'll have her spray it. Oh, she'll spray atomizer. See how good it is? Nice atomizer there. She'll spray the card. So this is really nice atomizer. Even the one, the bigger size, you can actually use the top of the heel to spray it, which is pretty cool. But I didn't know it was like that for the small one.
It's a cool bottle.
The bigger bottle. The bottle presentation is really nice.
I don't give a crap about heels. I never wear heels, but they're still cool looking.
So right off the bat, I get a lot of the tuberose in this fragrance here. So far, a few times I've worn this fragrance. You know, because I sprayed it once or twice, but she worn it a lot more than I have. She will enjoy this fragrance here.
You're not wearing it.
You know, I would definitely wear it some for a full review. This is the first impression, but I will wear it. Even though, you know, it's hard wearing female fragrance, but I definitely will try it out.
It smells good.
It does smell really good. Probably more better on her than me.
I had trouble. There's 2 versions. This one.
Yes.
And then there was the, it's like Eau de Legere.
Yeah, there's 2 different versions.
And I was sort of asking them what the difference was, and it seems like the Legere had like pear in it, which was really apparent, but is a little lighter. So I decided to go with the Eau de Parfum, because that would be a little stronger, probably last a little longer. They both were amazing though. I had a really hard time making a decision.
Because first we went there, initially showed her fragrance. I liked it her, but she thought she would like it. It was a Prada fragrance. She didn't too much. She liked it, but it wasn't
compared to other
fragrances. Other perfumes they had there for females. She liked it, but it wasn't.
Prada La Femme.
La Femme, I think it was. Yeah, it was in a gold and white bottle, but you know, she liked it, but she didn't love the fragrance. So I don't want to buy it if she doesn't really want to wear it. So.
But yes, this one's lovely. It smells very good. I like it a lot.
So I'm happy I got this for her. She has a few perfumes in her collection, which, you know, I did a video down below. You can check out her and Saritha, their collections. They have perfumes.
I should have to do an update now that, like, that was before you actually started buying me things. And
yeah, she has a couple more new ones now.
Like, ones that I've chosen instead of gifts that people gave me before you came in the picture.
And down the road, I'm going to get her a fragrance from the House of Perfumes, the Marley. That one she really likes a lot. The Delina is in a pink little bottle. But
I
definitely, she likes all of them.
Marley.
They're very expensive, but those are fragrances that she sprayed is going to last. So that's a good thing. They are expensive. But back on the topic, this Carolina Herrera one here, this company's fragrance is really good. And this one and the newer one they have, they're both nice fragrances, but I'm happy she got one that she likes, and I got it for 15% off at Macy's, so it wasn't too bad. So I didn't get a fragrance that day. I really was on the fence trying to buy something. Like, nah, I'm just going to get her something because I'm still got other fragrances I need to wear and test out too. So.
I don't feel like I would have ever picked up, just from the look of it, like, I'd be like seeing a heel, I'd be like, I'm never trying that.
It is eye-catching.
And like, it's called Good Girl, and I'm like, So it smells amazing, and you should check it out.
So ladies and gentlemen, if you heard this fragrance, please leave a comment down below. I will definitely wear this fragrance a few times and see if my girlfriend will wear it some more to work, and we'll come back with an update video how projection longevity was on my skin and on her skin, and see if we got any comments or time we wore it to work. So if you like fragrance reviews, you like free fragrance giveaways, and you like fragrance updates and releases, why not show your support by clicking that red subscribe button on your screen and clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching another fragrance video. Until another fragrance video is coming soon, bye.
Bye.